Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to our world filled with adventures and discoveries. I'm thrilled that you've decided to join us, where we'll share moments of fun, learning, and connection. I'm Ayub, and I'll be your guide on this exciting journey. On this channel, we'll explore a diverse range of topics. Together, we'll learn, enjoy breathtaking sights, and share special everyday moments. This channel isn't just mine, it's ours collectively. So, I look forward to hearing your opinions and comments each time we meet here. Let's build a community where inspiration and smiles are shared. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to receive the latest content from the channel. If you have any suggestions for topics you'd like to see in upcoming videos, don't hesitate to share them with us. Thank you once again for joining us on this exciting journey. Let's embark on a new experience of knowledge and fun together. Don't miss a moment, as the future is full of surprises. Host introduces the importance of the ACT Science section and how mastering its basics can significantly improve overall ACT scores. Emphasize that this video will provide an overview of the structure, question types, and key strategies for success in the ACT Science section. Section Structure. Explain that the ACT Science section consists of 40 questions, to be answered within a 35-minute time frame. Describe how the section comprises 7 passages, usually alternating between 3 different formats: data representation, research summaries, and conflicting viewpoints. Emphasize that each passage is followed by 5 to 7 questions related to the presented information. Question types. Data interpretation. Discuss how these questions require understanding and analyzing graphs, charts, tables, and other visual representations. Explain how to extract key information, trends, and relationships from the provided data. Experimental methodology. Describe how these questions focus on comprehending the setup and methodology of experiments described in passages. Explain the importance of identifying variables, controls, and the purpose of each experimental component. Comparison and contrast. Discuss how these questions ask students to compare different viewpoints, experimental setups, or scientific perspectives across passages. Provide strategies for quickly identifying similarities and differences. Inference and hypothesis. Explain how these questions require students to make logical inferences based on the information presented in the passage. Highlight the importance of using context clues and information from the passage to support chosen answers. Strategies for success. Skim passages. Encourage skimming passages to get a general sense of content and structure before diving into questions. Annotate as you go. Recommend underlining key details, circling variables, and jotting down quick notes to aid in question solving. Answering order. Suggest answering questions in a sequence that suits your strengths. Some students prefer tackling questions based on data interpretation first, while others may find comparison questions easier to tackle initially. Skip difficult questions. Advise not to get stuck on particularly challenging questions. Instead, mark them and return if time allows. Use visual aids. Discuss how the use of scratch paper can help organize thoughts, work through calculations, and make sense of complex visuals. Elimination and reasoning. Emphasize that sometimes you can eliminate incorrect answer choices through reasoning, even if you don't have a perfect understanding of the subject matter. Conclusion. Summarize the key takeaways: understanding the section structure, recognizing question types, and employing effective strategies. Encourage viewers to practice these strategies while working through ACT Science practice tests. Mention that by mastering these basics, students can approach the ACT Science section with confidence and improved performance. Thank you all for watching this video and joining us on this enjoyable journey. It has been a great honor for me to be your companion in exploring exciting and informative topics. We hope you've enjoyed and benefited from the content we've presented on this channel. We always welcome your comments and contributions, as engaging with you means a lot to us. Don't forget to stay subscribed and hit the notification bell to receive the latest video updates as soon as they are published. If you have ideas for future topics or inquiries, please don't hesitate to share them with us in the comments section. We look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos, where we will continue to provide content that enriches our minds and brightens our moments with inspiration. Until then, I wish you days filled with happiness and positivity. Thank you once again, and farewell.